Good morning, my dear students. Today I will discuss about what is more is less. The number which comes after a number, it is called the more. That means addition. Suppose it is 7. More than 7, that is 8, 9, 10, so on. Okay? More than 7, that means 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so on. That means after number. Okay? The number which comes after a number, that is called the more than or more. Less, which means small, or before number, that means if it is 7, the less than 7 number is 6, okay, 5, etc. 5, 7, 4, 3, 2, etc. so on. Okay, because from your text here is some homeworks. Count and tick the groups which has more. If these are more, you should tick here. Okay, if it is less, you should cross here. 1, 2, 3, 4, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is more, that's why you should tick here. And 4 is less, 6, and 4 is in the back. That means before number. 4 is the before number. That means it is less. That's why you should tick here. And after 4, that is 6. That means it is more. So you should write here tick. Okay. You should put a tick mark. So that you should do it. After that, the number 1 more than. The number 1 more than. That means the number which comes just after a number. Just after. Only just after a number. Suppose it is, that means just after 8 is plus or addition 1, that is 9. That means just after this number, it is called the one more than number. Okay. That means if it is 8, you should go on the just after number. Okay. That means you should add plus 1. If it is 9, that means also you should add plus 1, or you should add 1, that is 10. Okay. Here is 6. That means 1 more. The number you should write here 1 more than 6. That is after 6, there is 7. So you should write here 7. Next, we should go the next. Less than. Less, that means the number 1 less than. 1 less than, that means the number which comes just before a number. Just before the particular number. Suppose if the particular number is 10. Just before the particular number, how to find it? Subtract 1. That is 9. That means you should write here 9. Just before. Just less than or less than 1 number 10 is 9. Okay. Because just before number 10 is 9. This number. After that, tick the bubbles. This one called the bubbles. Okay, tick the bubbles with the smaller number. One has done for you. This one has done for you. If it is less than or smaller, on that time you should tick on that bubble. Okay, which one is smaller? 6 or 8? Come, 6. After 6, that is 8. That means 6 is less than or smaller number. That means you should tick in here. Okay, you should do this and tick the bubbles which are the larger number. Larger number, that means more number. Smaller number, that means less number. 20, 15. Which one is the larger? Bigger or larger? Same. Bigger number 20. That's why you should tick here. Okay. we should do this. After that we should go the next. So wait on, I will give some example. Smaller, 7, 6. Which one smaller? This one is smaller, so you should take here. 10, 13. Which one smaller? This one. Sorry. This one is smaller, that means you should take here. Okay. If I should write here 10, 20 and 5. Which one is the smallest number? Smallest number is 5, because when we should count the number, at first we should find the 5. That means this is the smallest number. This one called the smallest number. From the 3 numbers, this is the smallest number. That's why you should take it like this, smallest number. Which one? 10, 9, 6. Which one is the smallest? 6 is the smallest number. That means you should take in here. Okay. After that we should go the next. Which one is the smallest, biggest number or greatest number? Greatest number. That means suppose this one 10, 25. 20 is the biggest or greatest number, so you should take it. Okay. If these two numbers, from these two numbers, which one is the, if it is greater number, if it is greater number or more number, so you should give the greater than mark. This one called the greater than. This one called the smaller than. This one is a greater than sign, this one is the smaller than sign. If the first number is greater or bigger, so you should write here greater than sign. If the first number is smaller, so you should take the smaller than sign like this. Okay. If this at first number is bigger or greater or big number, so you should write here the greater than sign. Okay. If the first number is smaller or small or lowest, lower, so you should write here smaller than sign. Okay, do you understand? So, can you tell me? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 ice creams are there. So, you should write here 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ice creams are there. That means you should write here 5. 7 is the first number. 7 is more than 5 or less than 5. 7 is more number. That means great number. So you should take here greater than sign. Greater than, that means this sign. Okay. All of the numbers here is the greater than or greater. That means you should write here greater than sign. If the first number is smaller, here is the 13 and 17. Which one is less than? 13 is less than. First number is lesser or smaller number. So you should write here smaller than number or less than number. Less than. Okay. This one also called the less than number. Less than. Greater than and less than. Okay. So this one your homework. Encircle the smallest number in the group. Which one is the smallest number in the group? In the group, that means so many numbers. 6 numbers are there. From these 6 numbers, which one is the smallest? 7 is the smallest number. So encircle the 7. Okay. Which one is the biggest number? Which one is the biggest number from this group? It is 20. Yes. So that's why we should encircle the 20. Okay. Circle it properly. Okay. Which one is the smallest number from each group? Smallest number. Find the smallest number, 12. Yes, you should write here the smallest number 12. And which one is the biggest? Which one is the biggest from this group? From this group? Biggest number is 19. That means you should write here 19. Okay. Okay. Thank you, my dear students.